momentum automatically builds in and sets in. Okay, so I enjoy you all the favorable journeys, and may you be able to see not only of the world but also of yourself as you go onward and forward on this journey of self discovery. Okay, all right, so the next one that we move is the lovely sign of Capricorn. Okay, again I think I've said this earlier also, ये बेचारा काम के बोझ का मारा, you know. So trust the Capricorns to be getting into this kind of a mode with the kind of workaholics they are, the kind of aspirations and ambitions energy that they have, is that they're trying very hard to protect and defend their personal boundaries, professional boundaries. They have done a good job in terms of, you know, coming this far. You know, they are 9 bands. So basically this person has really worked hard. These are workers boot that they want. तो इसने बिल्कुल भी रिस्पाइट नहीं लिया है, इसने बिल्कुल भी ब्रेक नहीं लिया है, लगातार निरंतर बिना थके हुए, बिना हताश हुए यू नो ये काम कर रहा है। देरा देखो पट्टी बंदी है सर के ऊपर, बहुत लड़ाइयाँ लड़ी हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा यू नो बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों के ताने सहे हैं, क्रिटिसिज्म सहा है, सब कुछ किया है, यू नो बहुत पापड़ बेले हैं. सो नाउ इट यू हैव कम टू अ पॉइंट वेर इन यू हैव टू एक्चुअली सी, नाउ यू हैव टू स्टार्ट पिकिंग एंड चूजिंग योर बैटल्स. बिकॉज इसका क्या फ़ायदा कि आप इतना, अगेन वही वाला सेंटिमेंट आ गया ना 4 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स का, कि आपने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत मशक्क़त कर ली, लेकिन आप जिस मुकाम पे पहुँचे अगर आप उसको इन्जॉय ही नहीं कर पा रहे ना, तो फिर क्या फ़ायदा उसका, यू नो. सो दैट इज़ द काइंड ऑफ मैसेज विच इज़ कमिंग अक्रॉस फॉर यू, my lovely Capricorns. It is time for you to press pause and reevaluate your goals, where you are. So celebrate whatever you have achieved this far. Give yourself a pat in the back, because many a times most of us, you know, most of us who are especially the earth signs, you know, and these earth signs are the ones who are going to be most affected by this lunar eclipse besides the water signs. But the earth signs of Virgo and Capricorn and Scorpio and I believe yes, or Scorpios and Libras, they are all going to be affected with this lunar sign, because they are mutable signs. So as and when the eclipse happens, you know, the shift of energies is quite dynamic. So with 9 of Wands here, the advice for you, my Capricorns, in love and relationship is that you are trying too hard to protect and defend your personal boundaries. So see if actually this is working for you, in the sense is that it's कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, दैट यू रियली कांट फिक्स समथिंग विच इज़ ऑलरेडी ब्रोकन. हाँ, तो कहीं किसी पॉइंट पे आके आपको छोड़ भी देना चाहिए, राइट. सो अगेन द सेंटिमेंट ऑफ पिक योर बैटल्स वाइजली इज ऑल्सो कमिंग अक्रॉस, बिकॉज नाउ इफ यू सी यू कम टू अ पॉइंट वेर इन everything is like looking duty and obligation. It's something like, you know, all work and no play, that kind of a sentiment. So that is something you have to actually bring in a sense of respite, a sense of break, and this intervening period, again in terms of work and career also, see if you've taken the kind of opportunities which are damaging you as a person. Maybe they are filling up the bank account, maybe they are taking care of in terms of the stability and security, because you are standing on solid footing. लेकिन भाई कभी कभी तो यू हैव टू गेट इनटू द 3 ऑफ कप्स वाला मोड ना, पार्टी करनी बनती है ना आपको, हाँ, बिकॉज like this you're going to burn out, right? So now you have to take a moment, take a step back and see that how much is this, how much and no further is the line. वो लक्ष्मण रेखा कहीं ना कहीं आपको खींचनी पड़ेगी, खींचनी ज़रूरी है और खींचनी भी चाहिए, so that you are able to actually enjoy the fruits of your labor. Okay.